All right, we're gonna go. No. How do I want to begin this? It's so hot. It's so hot. Me and Dad are gonna go run over to the shop to pick up a floaty. So it's supposed to be a floaty platform that you air up, and it can be used for kiting and everything else that you could use a platform for. Dad left me. He's gonna go talk to some people. It'll only take a second, but in reality, it's gonna take at least 5 or 10 minutes because he loves talking with people. This is the marina. It's a very splendid marina. All right, I'll pop over there to fill you guys in. Man is back.
Let's go get that platform.
Need a key to get in this gate.
Come on, loser.
Here's a trash dump where we dump our rubbish. A boat yard for all your boat yard needs. All right, we're here in the workhouse and we have the platform. It's all deflated and boxed up. So I'll fill you guys in, us taking it back. It should be pretty heavy. All right, we got the bag and we're carrying it back to the boat. It's not super heavy, but it's just kind of awkward to hold. A very good neck workout, I would say.
I needed some new reels.
Thank you.
What are those, 80s?
80s, yeah.
Yeah, you might as well put those on my boat. Or swap those out and give me the 50s. I take 50s or 30s.
So there we have it. Our platform with the pump. And we'll probably get it out next time we go kiting. All right, it's the next day. We aired it up and this is what it looks like. It's huge.
So big!
I dare you to get on it.
Dad said I'm not allowed.
I dare you.
But I would be...
I dare you.
But...
I dare you.
Dad said I wasn't allowed.
Oh, fine. Okay, don't do it. All right. And so that's how we're gonna drag it from island to island. Just put it like that.
Or we put it on deck. Or deflate it.
Yeah. It's pretty calm motor right now. I'm not exactly sure where we're going at the moment. Haven't gotten caught up. Last night, me and Finn were playing Steep, the snowboard game on the PlayStation. We finally got it installed. It's pretty much what we've been doing.
Yes. And we are also going to Racky. It's a good kite spot. It's the only reason we're going.
All right, everybody. So I'm gonna give you a rundown on what kite gear I use and what kite gear you should use if you're starting out kiteboarding. So starting off, we have the board. The board I use is the Cabrino Ace wood. Wood meaning it's made out of wood, not carbon. And the board size is 138 by 41.5. 138 is the length and 41.5 is the width. The bigger the board, the easier it is to get up on the water. So if you're using a little smaller kite, a little bigger board might be more useful for lighter wind. But for me, this one's perfect because it doesn't take much to pull me. I'm a small guy. I weigh 150, maybe 160 in pounds. Not sure what that is in the metric system or whatever. Anyways, that's what I use. All right, then we have the kite. So the kite I use is my Cabrino Switchblade 10 meter. It's good in strong wind and in light wind as well. I can foil with it when the wind is a little lighter, and it's perfect for twin tipping whenever the wind is a little on the heavier side. I'll show it off real quick. There it is. I was going to go foiling, but the wind got a little higher, so I'm just gonna wait for a little while. That's what it looks like. So the more you weigh, the bigger the kite you'll probably need. And it really depends on your wind conditions. If you have heavy winds, the smaller the kite, the smaller the board, usually the better. The lighter the wind, the bigger the kite you're going to want. And for me, being me, I like to go with my 10 even when there's big wind, because I like to go really high. Next, we have the harness. My harness is right over here. So the harness I use is it's just an iron harness. It's one we got at a kite shop. Looked good, felt good, fit me, so we decided to get it. And the way I put my harness on is I put it usually as tight as I can get it, depending on what I'm going for. If I'm going foiling, then usually I have it a little looser. So for me, the tighter, usually the better. And finally, we have the bar. The bar I use is a Cabrino bar, the same as my kite and my board. I'm just a big Cabrino fan. I use the, what kind of bar do I use? It's the latest bar they have. And it does not have the spring recoil system on it to where it absorbs the bar. Got your chicken loop, it's just attached on. Safety leash, this is a different kind of safety leash than the one they give you. Only reason I like it is because it's longer. This is the one that comes with the bar. It's all right, nothing wrong about it. But for me, I like this one better. Regular bar, a little dinged up on the bottom. You got your depower system here. Pull this, put it down, depowers your kite. Pull up on it, you're repowered. Pretty easy system, not hard to use at all. You got the overdrive foam parts here if you really want to pull on it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. This isn't like a how-to kite video. Pay for those. If you pay $200, I'll set you up. I'll make you holla for $200. The wind is supposed to be picking up today. I hope it does. Be most excellent. All right, I'll catch you guys later. So yeah, you're recording.
No, I just want to make sure the lens is clean. Okay.
So we gotta set this quark up. We're gonna set it up on a kite. We're gonna figure out how to do it, and I need some extra parts.
It's a gimbal. I don't know how it works, but it works. I guess like that, and you put the camera on it. Good thing. What are you guys doing?
Jelly like actually likes that.
No.
He's eating some papaya and
Chia seed pudding and papaya.
concrete pudding. He's eating. Oh, he's got the cord.
We'll think it could have used a lot more. No.
What?
Yeah, I've never done it before.
So I'm pretty sure the center lines are supposed to wrap around these.
You were the
Yeah.
first to make it.
No directions?
There are on YouTube.
So this mounts like this, Jack?
Yeah, that thing goes
Well,
in
let's
there.
mount everything up.
All right. I'll get it.
Maybe mounts
Easy,
like
easy.
This thing's gonna get lost in the ocean, I
know,
bet. Is there not like a safety line you attach to it?
Jack, what are you doing there? What is that?
So I'm getting my brand spanking new Quark kite mount set up, and I'm gonna go use it.